thought I'd do this a bit like a vlog today. A few of you are here from when you used to watch my eBay channel, so you know it's me. But this is sort of typical of when I was doing the eBay. I kind of fell out of love with eBay, and I'm still doing it a bit, but not enough to vlog. I thought it'd be dead boring for everybody, so I stopped doing it for a bit. I might get back to it, but I just wanted to chat with you. I don't know, I just felt like chatting. So what's happened is I've come into what is my eBay / nail room, and we went out yesterday. I made myself a set of press-ons. I had about an hour and a half to spare before I went out. I thought I'd make some press-ons. I won't have them on long, so I'm going to use the sticky tabs. I didn't want to put any glue on my fingers. Oh, my arm's hurting. Oh, anyway, so I thought I'll show you the mess that I've walked into today from all the videos I was doing yesterday and the day before, or last few days. Yeah, I've got to get my finger out, so I'll turn it around and I'll show you what I've walked into. So here we are. I've had a bit of a tidy up because these, I had some stands here and they're now around this corner. So I've got all my glitters, gels. I've got some Savalan videos to do. I've been using a lot of polygel lately. Yeah, more bling I've got now. And then these are, I've got all my tips, jewel forms, extension tips, things like that in there. And then this one I've got, there's a drawer dedicated to Bone Pretty extension gels. Make sure you keep them flat if you've got any builder gels that run. I've got my Varnail drawer. These are the solid gel polishers. Oh, love these. This is my glitters. No, it isn't, I'm lying. This is my foils. And as many as you've got in there, you want to do something, you haven't got one, don't you? So anyway, that's that. And then, what else have I got? Oh, this is both of these. This one's full of glitters in packets, and this one's full of stickers. Nice, that's not ideal, that. I'll have to put something else. So this is the mess I've walked into. Right, so did my last minute set of press-ons. So that's debris from last night. These were already made before I decided to do my press-ons because I wanted to do a set of pride nails. So that's that. I've just done a video with my new e-file. I'll not show you that yet, but it's lovely. And I was going to upload it and then found out that there isn't any on the website. So I've emailed them to see if they're getting more back in stock. Before I show you that, I did a video with polygels, so they're still there. Video with me Bone Pretty PR, that's still there. This was from Lovely Nat that sent me some things too, so I did a set of nails with that. So that's still there. I got those out because I was going to use that with it and I didn't. My water wipes, which I like all the time. I did a Varnail video for the June box I had. And I did a second video and I wanted to do another one, but I haven't got around to it. So, does anybody else get in a mess like this and have to tidy up, or do you all tidy up as you go along? Because it's very trollopy. And my white gloves, I've just washed those. They've just coming off the lines. They've got to go away. This I've got, I went down to a charity shop. You call them Goodwill, I think, in the US. And I got a bag of this packing ribbon because I want to do another giveaway soon. So I thought, well, I'll get that to go in there. And then my gloves that I got ready. Oh, I've got a little piece of wire here. My husband, he used to do modelling. He's found it out for me. Because I thought about having a go with those Sakura cherry blossom nails. Don't know if you've seen it, where she makes like 3D. I said I might have a go. I don't know whether I will. So I got this, and this was far too thick. So yeah, I've only got that little piece though, so I've got to be careful. And then this is all eBay related. Along here. In fact, this is from when I did cakes. all my ribbons from when I did cakes. Yeah, so that's, oh, diary, been diarising everything. This is what I used to map out, just basic drawings when I want to map out a set. And then my book for the list of videos I've got coming up, and then I cross them out as I go along. Yeah, so, tidying up to do. So here we are, I'm all ready to do my set. Well, I'm not, because I've got to pick out what colours I'm using first. This is how I store all my bottles. But a lot of those, as I'm filling them up, I'm having to take them off and put some acrylics and stuff in the drawer. So I've also got, where is it? Here. I've had to put some acrylic in here. And polishes. I had to put some Armeli in there. If you've not seen them already, have a look at my swatch videos for them, because they were £8.99 for a full set of 12. So I bought 5. Yeah, so oh, what's this? This is acrylic, and do you know I've not really used that while bow. I think I did one set out of it. Yeah, these are all Rachel Wilder's. I love her. She was selling all these off when she rebranded. So I've got all them. Yeah, so anyway, back to thing. We're tidy. I can't do anything about my wires, but look at this. Did it. That's the good thing, you see, about doing a vlog, is I've got to do what I say I'm doing. So, yeah, we're as tidy as I can be anyway. I've even tidied my bags up a bit. Oh, that's my secret hiding place for my biscuits. Put that under there, otherwise I'll has them all. So, see you later, everybody. I know that was just a quick vlog, but that's my layout. I'm going to crack on with these nails. See you soon. Love you. Look after each other. Bye.